Just a couple days ago, we thought the bull market was starting. Turbo was up to half a penny. I even acquired more, but everything has slowed down. Turbo is now sitting at 2 zeros for Bitcoin has lost a couple key levels, and this is all something that I want to look into. As much as I love Turbo, and it is my favorite meme coin of all time, we've got to realize that there is a bigger picture. The entire market follows a Bitcoin. In this video, I want to look at Turbo, what's upcoming for Turbo, and also some key things with the DXY and Bitcoin. I'm going to explain to everybody why I value these things. We're going to get into everything Turbo and more, but first I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I am truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you are not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let's get into the video. No matter what the market's doing, guys, Turbo continues to build. This is from the Roaring Toady. He's really doing a good job organizing all of this stuff. We've got Turbo Day coming up September 6th. We're going to have some influencers, going to have some exchanges. We're going to just have a big old Turbo Toad family party, guys. I'm looking really forward to it. Just join on X. They will have the announcement soon, guys. I cannot wait. But like I said, I tried to help Turbo get over the resistance hump, and it did not work, guys. It did not. But we've got to keep in mind that the bigger picture with crypto, and we'll look at that in a minute, but I do want to highlight the key levels here on Turbo that we need to be looking out for, and that I'm going to be looking out for. Right now, obviously, we would love to hold this level, 2 zeros 4. If not, it could potentially go lower. But the next arch nemesis that we have to beat and retest against is this 2 zeros 5 level. This half a penny level is going to be extremely important in the short term. What we were wanting to see was a break above it, a retest, and then it continued to go up, but that did not happen. But we definitely want to watch this level here, approximately right here at 2 zeros 37, then this level at 2 zeros 32, and then ultimately the 2 zeros 3 level. I'm not saying it will go down there, and I hope it doesn't, because I am extremely bullish on Turbo in the long term, but I am just letting you guys know in the Freeman Finance and family what to look out for. And let's get into some macro data. So you can see a lot of gains that were made across the market have been wiped out for the most part. The 7-day is still up a few percent on a lot of things, but meme coins particularly, a lot of them have been wiped out. If we take a look, you've got a couple things up. Wow, Floki's up 25%, but you have a couple things up a lot still, but a lot of them have retraced, but Turbo's down 1.38%. But like I said, it basically erased everything that happened over the weekend that lasted about 24 hours, something like that, before it started coming down. And now we're right back to where we were. So are we going to see a pump or are we not? But like I said, we have to look at the macro environment, guys. And this is Max Data. This is a really good platform that I've actually started using. They allowed me to use this platform to do our technical analysis here on Freeman Finance and Crypto. And there's actually a referral link. They're not like outright paying me or anything. It's just a referral link, but they're going to give $250 bonus to the first 10 people that sign up. But you can see on this, what we're looking at here is a rise and wedge basically from the point of August 5th when we had that big red Sunday going into Monday. But you could see on the hourly here that we have broke the 50, 100, and 200 day EMA on the 1 hour time frame right here. And what we don't want to happen is to break this wedge all the way. If we go to like a larger time frame, the 1 or the 4 hour, we can look and see that we have pretty much bounced off of the 100 and 200 day, but we want to make sure that holds. And then go into the daily to see where we are at on BTC. We are still above everything on the daily for now, but well, there's another hourly close that just happened live as we're recording. So we have broke the 50 and 100 day on the daily close that had came in, but we're still above the 200. But guys, we definitely want to stay above this level of 60 thousand. But when we take a look at the order books of what's going on, you could see the buy orders. There are a lot of them sprinkled, throughout here, but you could see the sell orders right here, how many there are as well. And there is a big wall incline up here at 22,200 approximately. So if we go to a lower time frame on BTC and look at where that puts us, so right here, this is 62,200. 62,200 is about right here. So we would like to see this get above that, which just happens to be the 200-day EMA on the 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin. But it's not all bad news, guys. I want to cover what could be possible negatives and then also positives, because we have to. As much as I love Turbo, we can't put our beer goggles on like we're looking at girls in the bar. I just want to look at the entire environment and bring you guys at Freeman Finance and Crypto my analysis and what the hard work that I do researching all this. Now, as always, none of this is ever financial advice. I'm got slightly a degen and love finance. I could be completely wrong, as I was a couple of days ago when I bought Turbo, but I have a long-term outlook on these kind of things. But looking at this is the DXY, or the US dollar index. It's pretty much the strength of the US dollar. And as this goes down, risk on assets such as Bitcoin or alternatives to the US dollar tend to go up. And so what I'm wanting to watch here is, do we get a bounce on this DXY and the dollar strengthen again, or does it break down? This would be the best case scenario for Bitcoin and for altcoin season, especially if this level right here was to break at approximately 99.5. If that level was to break, then we would likely see Bitcoin go up a lot, I think. But some more good news. This is stable coins on the exchanges and in the market that have been printed. And as you can see, this is going up, okay? This time frame goes back to 2021. I just wanted to show y'all how high it was back here in the last bull market. But if you just fast forward a little bit and let's only look at this year, starting right here, you can see that there is a lot of stable coins on the sideline ready to deploy. So what are they waiting for? Are they waiting for the Fed to cut interest rates? What is going on? But if we look right here, this is August 2nd, right at the time that we had that big sell-off. That came around August 5th, and stable coin supply is up drastically. If we just go from that point up, we are up about 18% in stable coins. That is liquidity on the sideline waiting to play. And on the year, if we go from the entire year back, stable coins is up over 35%. So that is a very good thing for the long-term outlook of everything. But the price of Turbo, I believe, is going to rely on the macro environment. So looking at BTC, looking at the DXY, here's the buy-sell orders of Bitcoin, looking at the strength of the US dollar, and then we want to see stable coins continue to grow. And then when it is time to deploy, we will probably see these go down. But guys, like I said, this is max data. They didn't pay me for this. This is a platform I actually genuinely like. They have an interest, showing interest is at 35% for Turbo Toad token. But I know that in my conviction that when the market is not interested, that is when I want to become interested, because I think that is when the best buying opportunities are. And like I said, of course, Turbo could go to zero, but I don't think so. I'm not risking more than I can comfortably afford to lose. And I think there will be a day that we challenge this 1 penny level. Okay, I think we're going to challenge this 1 penny level eventually. We're going to get rejected 20%. We're going to test it again. We're going to break through it. We're going to retest, and that is going to become a support, which is exactly what we needed to happen down here. Exactly what we needed to happen right here is for this 205 line to flip into a support. But it didn't. It acted as resistance as it was supposed to. The sellers won this time, but eventually the bulls will prevail. But guys, this wasn't meant to be a bearish video. It was just meant to give you an outlook on the entire market from my analysis. We've got Turbo Day coming up September 6th. I couldn't be more excited about it. Let me know who you guys want on Turbo Day on the AMA with Turbo. I would love to try to get them on and talk to them. And come on, bring your questions. This is a Turbo Toad family day. You know, I'm just a guy, an extension of the community, representing every single one of you. So let me know what you want to hear. Ask questions. We're going to have live Q&As. And shout out to the Roaring Toady. Shout out to Lynn Sanity. Shout out to Screaming Toad. Shout out to all the guys doing a lot of work on X to really bring exposure to this. But guys, we're waiting on BTC to turn around. We're going to see what happens. But boy, does this market move quick. I thought we were going into a full-on bull market a few days ago, but we are still in that same bullish pattern that has been going on for the last 4 or 5 months. On the outlook of things, macro-wise, it does look like a huge megaphone type pattern, something that looks like a huge absolute bull flag, if you ask me. If we go to this still did not change the outlook of the entire market long term. I mean, I'm assuming we don't want to break this level, but we're still a long ways from that level. If we look at that, even to challenge that, that would be another 13% drop for BTC, which you know what that would do for alts. It would be an extremely, extremely red day. But the technical analysis breakout point for BTC is still landing somewhere a little shy of $100,000 by my analysis. But guys, you know I love you all. If you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance, please join. We want you a part of the family, guys. Leave a thumbs up on this video. It really helps. We're trying to grow the channel. I love every one of you. Thank you.